Hello everybody! Today we're going to teach you guys about the states of matter and the effect of heat on matter. Are you ready? Let's start. First of all, we're going to talk about the states of matter. There are three states of matter. First, solid. Solid has a definite shape and volume. The particles can't move freely because they are tightly packed together and the binding force between particles are really strong. Those particles vibrate about their fixed position. Ice is an example of solid. Secondly, we have liquid. Liquid has a definite volume, but not definite shape. Liquid takes shape of its container. That is because the particles are close together, but they can still move freely. The space between each particle is small. Water is a great example of liquid. And finally, we have gas. Gas does not have a definite shape nor volume. The particles are really far apart and they can move freely. Some example of gas is oxygen, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen.
Now, we are going to talk about the effects of heat on matters. There are two ways. So, the first one is expansion. Expansion, what is expansion? Expansion is the act of expanding or the state of being expanded. The second one is contraction. Contraction, what is contraction? Contraction is the process or result of becoming smaller or lesser. So, now let's talk about how each state of matter will react when heat is lost or gained in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. Starting with solid. Solid will vibrate at all temperature, but when it is heated, the molecules will start moving and we call it melting. When the solid contracts, it vibrates less and become closer together. Next, we have liquid. When liquid is heated, the molecules are moving further than it was before and it is called evaporation. But when the liquid becomes cooler, the molecules are packed together and we call it freezing. Lastly, we have gas. When gas is heated, the molecules move more freely, but when gas contracts, gas vibrate less and start getting closer. We call it condensation.
Mommy, a girl behind you.